Hey, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. You can also visit me on Facebook, Clay's AC and Auto Repair. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, hopefully this video is helpful. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So what we were dealing with was somebody had cross-threaded a bolt, the bolt, done a lift and cross-threaded the bolt in there. So what we did was we took our die grinder and we cut a little window and we peeled it back. And the reason we did that is so we can weld this back up closed once we get this out of here. Now, because this is plastic, we don't want to get the torches up in there. We could just cut the head of this nut off because we're going to need a new bolt anyways. But we're going to try to raise up the box a little bit because it's loose on this end. And we're just going to take the Sawzall and cut the top of the bolt off, and then the bolt should drop down, and then this is already loose, basically a loose nut. And then we're going to weld a new nut inside there and put it back on there, and we're not going to cross thread it this time, so it should work out pretty good. So we cut the bolt out of there. Now we can slide our puck right in there. We just took the Sawzall. We're real careful to keep it level and even. And now we should be able to just pop that out of there, is the hopes, to be able to just pop that out of there. Probably have to get a hammer or something and pop it up, but we know we can. So now we're just going to weld the nut inside there, and that's how you fix a body bolt that is broken on the inside of anything, just about. And that's pretty much common how you do it. If this video was helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Mostly subscribe. Send me your great comments. I appreciate it. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you, and you'll always succeed. Have a great day.